Welcome back to Learning with the Difference news headlines for 17th of May. And first of all, national news 5,000 wheat laden trucks stuck due to export ban, Madhya Pradesh traders. The Chinese authorities have built border villages near Arunachal border close to the LAC, said the army. 4 tourists were killed and 3 others injured when their vehicle fell into a gorge in Himachal Pradesh, Kullu district on Monday, police said. Scientists in India developed nanobots that can kill bacteria in teeth. Biological ease Corbevax. Price cut to 250 per dose for private centers. Supreme Court ordered IIT to award degree to learning disabled student. Day after Tripura gets new chief minister, a total of 11 MLAs in Manik Shah's cabinet took oath on Monday at Raj Bhavan in Agartala. 2 earthquakes rattled Assam, Meghalaya in less than 24 hours, official report said on Monday. And now some international news. Kenton Cool, a 48-year-old British national, scaled Mount Everest for 16th times, media reports said on Monday. McDonald to exit Russian market, sell business to local buyer. Many Western businesses have pulled out of Russia since its invasion of Ukraine in February. Iran said on Monday that it awaited the US response to nuclear deal solutions. Kremlin scolded US over attempts to recruit Russian embassy staff. Wheat prices hit recorded high on Monday after India export ban. And US at very high risk of recession, Goldman Sachs chairman. And now some sports news. Nikat Zareen landed terrific shots in the Women's World Boxing Championships quarter-final. Did not play for money or fame. Brett Lee's emotional tribute to Andrew Simons. And now let's have a look on weather. The southwest monsoon has arrived over the Andaman and Nicobar Islands on Monday, 6 days ahead of its schedule, the India Meteorological Department said. The weather on 17th May in India will be very hot with temperatures reaching 37 degrees Celsius during the evening and night time. The temperatures will drop to 26 degrees Celsius. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.